Now, I have seen a lot of designers making their designs cluttered and complex. Now, this is one thing you need to keep in mind. Humans are going to like and they are going to opt for simple things. They do not like complex designs, complex information which is difficult to get. So if humans are going to get difficulty in making sense of your design, they are going to leave it and they are going to go to another website, another mobile app and anything else. So keep that in mind that simple designs are going to win in the end. So if you can simplify your design by eliminating elements that are not needed or the information that is not needed by the user, try to eliminate it. So some designers, they try to work like that they remove things and complexity until it cannot be simplified more. So this is another rule of product design actually. You might have seen that simple designs designed by Dieter Rams, and he was my inspiration and still is my inspiration, and I really love his product design. Braun, Braun is the company he used to design for. This is the guy, Dieter Rams, and I really love how he has designed the products. You can see over here the iPad or iPhone inspirations, iPod inspiration is from his designs. You can see over here 1958 and 2001. So still in 1958, this design really looks simple, elegant and modernistic. So it still look very modern even though it was designed in 1960s. And I hope you will get the idea of simplicity in designs. You can see over here, this is the radio designed by him. You cannot judge that this has been designed like 40-50 years ago. This still looks like Apple product to me. Anyhow, so this is the reason I opt for simple things and simple designs, because they are going to win and they are going to live for many years. Now, why do I always love simple designs? Because they are more memorable. So if you are designing an app icon or logo or any website, try to use as less noise or as less clutter you can use. So try to see the logo of Apple, Microsoft. They are very simple shapes, very simple and clean. They are not like 100 different circles entangled together or something like that. They are basic shapes and very simple shapes. Also, if you look at the website of Dropbox, it is very simple design. Let me show you an example of a simple design. You can see this is the design I did for a mobile app, that is Smart Sofa app. And what you can see over here is just lines, two colors, which is a prominent color, this one green, this blue, and this yellowish orange color. So in the whole design, you can see just these two colors are dominant and they have been used other than brown and few grays. And there's nothing much in this design. Few lines, few circles, and that is all. You can see this is the start first screen, and it is very simple. So simple designs, they are going to look elegant. They are going to look easy to operate. And this is human psychology you need to implement in your designs. Let me show you one more design. Okay, so this is a design from Peter Del Tondo. And you can see over here, this is also very simple. Just few blocks, blues and a little bit of grays, and that is all in this design. So there is not too much in this design. You can see over here, it is very simple. So straightforward, few things, few prominent areas, few colors, and that is it. So I think if you are designing something, you might look for simplicity and try to opt for that, and users are going to love that. So that is all for this lesson. If you have any problems or any suggestions, you can always message me. You can always ask me in the questions. Let's move on to the next lesson.